Greetings world. We are anonymous. Albert Einstein said, technological process is like putting an axe in the hands of a pathological criminal. How often have we chased the dream of progress, only to see that dream perverted? More often than not, haven't the machines we built to improve life shattered the lives of millions? Technology offers us strength, strength enables dominance, and dominance paves the way for abuse. Using technology to become something more than we are, risks losing our ability to love, aspire, or make moral choices. The very thing that makes us human. So we've compensated for weaknesses, finding quick solutions that only benefit a few. But the streets aren't paved with gold. Machinery that gives abundance has left us in want, and our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness, hard and unkind. We've given some the power to make others do what they choose, regardless of the cost of human dignity. How did this happen? Who's to blame? Well, there are those more responsible than others, but if you're looking for the guilty, you need only look into a mirror. People live within unhappy circumstances and yet will not take the initiative to change their situation because they are conditioned to a life of security, conformity, and conservatism, all of which may appear to give one peace of mind, but in reality suppress and distract us from our true nature. We often think we have the right to expand, absorb, convert, or possess anything we need to reach our dreams. But time and time again, hasn't this led to conflicts with others who essentially believe the same thing? Freedom. To those who don't have it, it is more valuable than gold. So if you've seen what we see, if you feel as we feel, and if you would seek as we seek, then I ask you to resist the urge to abuse power and resources, simply to reach your goals more swiftly and at the cost of the erosion of your morality. I ask you to start seeking the truth and seeing science in the context of who will have access to it. We all know that our economy, created to divide and occupy us, could collapse within the near future. The destruction of humanity approaches with all our past mistakes looming over our heads, so we must change the course of society to avert disaster. If you are listening to us, you already have taken the first step. The second step is to help others realize what you know. Then together we can take the third step, which is to begin to change the laws that create an environment for ignorance, corruption and self-denial. We are anonymous. The corrupt fear us. The honest support us. The heroic join us. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.